Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this hanging house that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use a grapevine wreath and a piece of buffalo check ribbon. The buffalo check ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and the grapevine wreath I've just had. I'm not sure where exactly it came from. I'm just going to cut a strip of that buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to wrap it around the wreath, glue part of it to the top, and then I'm going to pull the ribbon through and glue that other piece on top of that other ribbon. So just making a loop to hang the wreath on. Making sure that that's nice and dry so it holds the wreath. Then I'm going to take some greenery, and I got this greenery at Hobby Lobby also. And I'm just going to cut a few pieces off of the bushes that it was on. And then I'm going to arrange them on the wreath on just one side. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right there. Kind of set it where I want it. And then hold it in place. And then I'm going to do the same thing with a couple other pieces at the bottom half, meeting those other ones in the middle. And again, just holding them until they were dry. And I'm just going to use the silicone spatula so I don't burn my fingers. And I'm kind of pushing them in. Once those are on, I'm going to take these sunflowers. These also came from Dollar Tree. And I did 2 of them. I'm just kind of arranging them where I want on top of that greenery. Put some glue down and then glue them into place. Just kind of trying to figure out where I want everything. And then just hold those until they dry. Once I have those on there, and look at, I think this turns out so cute. Anyway, once I have those on there, I'm going to take a bow I made out of the same buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to glue that right to the bottom half of the ribbon that I wrapped around the wreath. And I love how this looks. And so finally, I took a tack. It's a furniture tack, and I just cut off the back of it, and it's just black. And I'm going to just glue that right to the top up here to look like it was holding the ribbon on. And that is it. This project is finished. This was so easy to make. I love the look of it. It's got a farmhouse look, but it also has a summer and spring look. It's something that could be used for all year. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.